الس- السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ده حل درس problem solving and data analysis inference from sample statistics and margin of error. Question number one. There are 55 students in Spanish club. A sample of Spanish club students was selected at random and asked whether they intend to enroll in a new study program. Of those surveyed, 20% responded that they intend to enroll in the study program based on the survey. In this survey, which of the following is the best estimate of the total number of Spanish club students who intend to enroll in the study program? يعني 20% of 55 means 20% multiplied by 55. 20% يعني 1/5 of 55. Fifth of 55 is 11. So 11 students intend to enroll in this program. Question number two. A city has 50 city council members. A reporter polled a random sample of 20 city council members and found that 6 of those polled supported a specific bill. Based on the sample, which of the following is the best estimate of the number of city council members in the city who support the bill? Support the bill. Uh, طيب. الsample 20 and found that 6 of this sample is support. 6 of those polled supported the specific bill. طيب التوتال كان 50. السبورت بقى كام x. هنعمل cross multiply. x times 20 equals 6 times 50 divided by 20 divided by 20. 20 cancels out, so this 0 cancels out. 6 times 5 is 30 divided by 2, 15. So 15. The answer is 15. A random sample of 50 people from a town with a population of 14,878 were asked to name their favorite flavor of ice cream. 7 people in the sample, يعني في السامبل 7 والسامبل هي total 50. 7 people in the sample named chocolate as their favorite ice cream. About how many people in the town would be expected to name chocolate? So this is the whole town, 14,878. So x cross multiply 50 times x is equal to 7 multiply 14,878 divided by 50 divided by 50. So this is 7 multiply. I'll approximate this to, you can use calculator to find out, but if I do this 15,000 divided by 50, 10 cancels out, and 15 divided 5 is 3, so this is 7 multiply 300, approximately 2,100, which is just approximately. About, so this is estimate, or approximate. If you use calculator to find this number, this will be 7 times 14,878 divided by 50. This number is exactly using calculator, this would be 2,082.91. So this is approximately 2,100. A certain forest is 253 acres. To estimate the number of trees in the forest, a ranger randomly selects 5 different acre parcels in the forest and determines the number of trees in each parcel. The number of trees in the sample acre was or are 51, 59, 35, 52, 73, and 73 based on the mean of the sample. So we need to find the mean of the sample. Mean يعني average. We add these numbers 51 plus 59 plus 52 plus 73 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. If the number is what? 45. and this mean is what? We add 51 plus 59 plus 52 plus 3 plus 45 كل ده over 5. This is 55.8. This is the mean. It is said here, based on the mean on the sample, which of the following ranges contains the best estimate of the number of trees in the entire forest? So we multiply 253 times 55.8. And this is approximately multiply by 253. This is 14,117 trees. So 14, this should be 14 here. Between 13,500 and 14,500. This question, it said, at a large high school, 300 students were selected at random and were asked in a survey about a menu change in a school cafeteria. All 300 students completed the survey. It was estimated that 38% of the students were in support of a menu change with a margin of error of 5.5%. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the survey results? So margin of error means what? 38% were in support, and we have margin of error, so we can add 5.5% to 38%. This is equal to 43.5%. And subtract 5.5, this is 32.5%. So any number between 32%, 32.5%, and 43.5%, this could be the result because we have margin of error. So the result could be 33, 34, 35, 38, 39, 40, 41, any number between 43%, 0.5 and 32.5%. So the percent of students at the school who support a menu change is 38. No, they might be 38, not exactly 38. The percent of the students at the school who support a menu change is greater than 38. It could be more than, greater than, or less than. Plausible values of the percent of the students at the school who support a menu change are between these two numbers. This is correct. Plausible values of the number of students at the school who support a menu change are between those two numbers. This is not correct. Because this 5% is percent, not five people. We don't add and subtract 5 people. So C is correct answer. This is the last question here. In a study, the data from a random sample of a population had a mean of 37 with an associated margin of error 3. So the mean is 37 and you can add 3. So you get and subtract 3. You get 34 and 40. Which of the following is the most appropriate conclusion that can be made about the population mean? Population mean, it is less than 37. It could be. It is greater than. It could be greater than. It is between 34 and 40. This is correct. It is less than. No, this is not correct. So, inshallah, I see you next lesson. وممكن لايك شير وسبسكرايب، ولو عندكم تعليقات أو أسئلة ممكن تقولوا لي، ولو حد عايز يدخل كورس سات ماث ممكن تتواصلوا معايا.